see what they're doing over here. What y'all doing, Daddy? I want y'all to see something really cool. Oh! My hair was down earlier, so it looked way better, but this is just like the junkiest part of it. There's a customer on the other side of that door. I didn't know if you wanted to be on the vlog. My Uncle Keith and my dad just walked by here. I'm gonna go see what they're doing. What are y'all about to do?
Put the bed right here, get it sanded, taped up. Put the door over here, get that taped up. Put the truck in the booth, paint everything.
I knew it. I knew it.
Get them face on camera. Ow! Hold on. I'm drooling everything.
Why are you standing like that, Daddy? You're standing like this. I can drive, guys.
Avery James, you will learn from top instructors with years of experience.
This looks so easy. Comment down below if this is easy. Oh, I gotta make it around. Ooh, bubble pop. Bubble pop. I said bubble pop. Tell me when you're gonna be doing the trash truck.
Me and you gonna take a metal run
Yeah.
next week.
Okay. I was showing him. Hey, what are we gonna add? We need to add stuff.
All that stuff you see on the ground, we putting all that on.
Woo!
Man, it's something that's never been done.
All right, y'all. I don't know how to explain this. These Kuyons is pulling their doors off their car. They want to be famous.
Send it.
So we pulling doors off because we ain't got shit to do. What's up, DCV fam? I'm about to go on vacation, so I'm in vacation mode. This is me in vacation mode. My pencil right here. Look, phone still ringing though. Down Spain Body. We in the Chrysler. What's up? What's up, DCV fam? Another day here at the shop, and we got some new stuff for y'all we about to do today. I don't even know how to say this. Pulling the doors off the 300, and then we're pulling the doors off the Scat Pack, and we about to go do some donuts. This was his idea, so if we get pulled over,
It's gonna be bad.
it's gonna be bad.
It's gonna be bad.
But we gonna have our seatbelts on though.
Yeah, we gotta have a seatbelt.
Yeah, we gotta have our seat
Sure,
stickers.
you operate a vehicle without me.
So we pulling the doors off. We ain't playing no games. Hey, just make sure y'all don't lose y'all boats.
Yeah.
Devin, you got a boat bucket for your car, bro?
I just been putting on the floor.
Yeah, you can't be having match boats. I don't know if I want to ride in the front or the back. I don't know yet. It's about to be fun. Hey, so we're gonna race first, and then we doing donuts, and then burnout.
I don't know about doing donuts. I don't know.
Oh, we gotta do donuts, bro. We gotta do donuts. Oh yeah, bro.
I don't even know where to do it.
Oh, we gonna find a spot. We gonna find a spot. So, man, look, we about to cut up. Let's see what else going on in the shop. See who actually working today. Got Edgar working over here, man. You getting it, bro? Oh yeah, you got that. We got Jose over here cleaning my dirty truck. Thing is so dirty, I'm embarrassed to put it on the channel. So what's up, man? What y'all been up to? I ain't put a video out in a couple weeks. Man, we've been stupid, bitch. This has been crazy. But hey, it is what it is. You know, got these wheels for sale. Things clean. Think about buying them myself and putting them on the escalator. Look at that. Think this make any sense? Look at that. Business cards, sunflower seeds, cups, water. We got plates. This need to go in the shop. Got my daughter's dancing outfits, collar. I got a comb. Look, I got banners that I never put up. Got all kind of junk in this truck, man. We've been working so hard over here at the shop, man. These last 2 months, man. It's been crazy. I mean, it's been non-stop. My guys been busting their butt. I've been busting my butt in this office, doing all this paperwork and estimates and all kind of stuff. So we're gonna have a little fun. I need to get a haircut. Y'all don't judge me. Check my emails right quick, and I'm gonna go see what these Kuyons got going on back here. All right, let y'all see what these fools doing. Here they go. Hey, they serious too. Hey, I'm about to start me an eBay store. I got some doors for sale. Man, they in good shape. This one here got a little damage, so I discount this one.
Hey, my boy said he gonna pull that out though.
Oh, he gonna get you? Oh, he got you then. This is really happy. So here's the task. The task is to see what we can get away with and not get pulled over.
I feel like as soon as they hit the road, if there's a law in sight, he's coming for us. We work paint body, and these are 2 cars that we had to drive, make sure they were stable.
Well, the thing about it is, Jeeps ride around with no doors on.
They got mirrors.
Oh, we ain't got no mirrors.
That's a problem. Unless we find a mirror, Each of us hold it.
We gotta find some mirrors. I need some mirrors. We need 2 mirrors. Where's his mirrors at? Where they at? Oh, you thought your door fell? I don't even see. I don't see them unless they're under all that rubbish. All right, this is all my salvage parts, so see if I can find a mirror. I got one, and I'm scared to put my hand on it. Hey, I got 1 mirror.
That's for 300.
That's for 300.
Screwed it to the door hinge.
What's up?
You about to screw to the door
Oh yeah.
hinge. Son, you screw that sucker to the door hinge.
Oh, we in,
It
son.
ain't gotta be functional, you just need a mirror.
We gotta have a mirror on there.
Oh,
So we putting the mirrors on.
yeah.
Oh, you got 2?
I got 2.
Oh, we in the dope, son. Bro, I was scared to go in that pile because I ain't know if Ezel the raccoon was in there. So we got a mirror. Let me just adjust it.
It ain't scratching you shit, huh?
Nah, like it's on it, but it ain't.
Yeah, it's just the foam on it.
Oh, okay.
Close that door.
Oh, nigga, you only got the one in there.
Hold on. Let's just take this
Then
off.
we gonna take that off.
Oh, that could have been real bad.
It almost was real bad.
So we good right here. Yeah, they ain't gonna scratch nothing. So we got mirrors on key car. We need to
You got
find
one on the bottom? You sure? You got it?
Okay. There we go. Key, you sure got a lot of hair on your back seat.
Yeah, that dog.
That's on your dog?
Don't put me in the video just yet until I get this back door out.
Nah, I'm watching.
Damn, boy. What shaggy ass dog.
Man, I'm about to go live on the ground.
Don't do that, because then people of me will know. My mom pull up here and see this. It's my ass. It's my car. You know what I'm saying? It does not matter.
She ain't gonna know.
Jerry has ways of finding out.
Man, you got it? You need some help?
Yeah, we got to carry.
I
You got
got
the
you.
front?
I got it. I got this part. So the 2 guys that don't want dirt in their car, pulling their doors off.
Oh, no, I wouldn't know, but it is what it is.
Yeah, so we good.
Hey, you ever seen a dog with his ears stuck back?
So here we are. We going on strike. No more doors.
No more dogs.
So now the laws can't complain about our dark tent no more. Oh, it automatic start. It ain't gonna say run. Come on, Key.
Airbag lights on.
Oh, for real? Oh, yeah, everything on, son. Oh, I know what happened. It died, then it started, then I pressed the button.
Oh, you pressed the button?
Yeah, I pressed the button as it was dying. Let it warm up.
Don't put that in the sound clip. Please don't do that.
Yeah, I know I'm gonna put that in the sound clip.
Hey, come put your other mirror on, man.
I'm about to.
The only thing you gotta worry about, Key, anything wrong with the car, you just bring it right back.
Exactly. If you do bring it back, you gotta put the doors on. People always ask me, hey man, what you gonna do with this car? You got this total car in front of the shop. This is what we do with this car. We steal parts off of it. We need some mirrors. So, I'm about to get got. Look Pissy crossing the street, Keith. The whole Pissy. See if we gonna make it, man. Oh, he risking it for the biscuits right now. Check him out. He don't look like he in a good mood today, so we gonna leave him alone. He ain't in a good mood today, Keith.
Oh damn.
He ain't have his morning beer yet. So Keith, what we doing, bro?
Man, we about to get this mirror and make it work.
We about to go, bro.
Alright,
So wish us luck, bro. If I call you, that means we got pulled over. You ready, D?
Hold on, I gotta put these things in good go.
What you doing, man?
Hey, that dude Key left his car running back there and shit.
Oh, so how you leave your car running with no doors on? Boy, I ain't thinking right, man. Say, man, if the cops should pull us over, I'm bailing, bro. I think I'm gonna ride with Devin in the back seat, but then again, I don't know. We got our mirrors on. Hey, we good, bro.
No, but I don't.
What you doing, D?
Adding a little reinforcement.
Let's check you out.
There we go.
All day, bro. Gotta make sure, you know.
These zip ties are rated for 200 plus miles an hour, so I think we should be good.
We should be good then.
You put the hell together?
Now people doing it. We gotta do
Oh
it.
yeah, but somebody else did it.
Somebody already done did it. Hey, but they ain't street race though. So hey, he ain't doing nothing. He in the parking lot.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, he ain't
Race.
He ain't make no pulls. Hey, somebody pull up, get their info, and tell them I'll be back. Or tell them I need bail money.
Man, he can wipe the wheels off, getting ready.
Oh, that boy cleaning the wheels?
Wipe the wheels off.
Oh,
Man.
yeah.
Don't worry about the motor.
Hey, this perfect too. It ain't hot. You ain't got nothing gonna fly out now.
No.
You need me to adjust your mirror?
I think I'm good.
You good? Okay. All right. seatbelt gonna let me go.
You gotta get out like you're the Lambo, huh?
So I can hang. I can hang out. Hey, this seatbelt strong, bro. I mean, I wouldn't do this at 45 miles an hour.
Cool cup holders on. Key get the jam. I gotta ride around with this YouTube fan on.
No, we ain't got no music.
No, we do. We ain't got no bass. All the space speakers out the car.
Just cause she like I'm a music.
Oh, we good.
That one sum on the back there.
What's up?
Y'all got the PDR guy tripping.
Alright, we gonna be right back, bro.
Yeah, we can bag.
He said, all right, freaking losers. I hate coming to this shop. All they do is play around all day.
Ridiculous. Hey, you didn't tighten my mirror down. What am I supposed to do?
What's the percentage of us getting pulled over? Is it like 25%, 50%, 75, 100%? I'm gonna say 75 because we got 2 cars. So if it was just 1 car, yeah, a cop see us, be like, ah, look at this dude with the doors off. But then he gonna see 2 cars.
I honestly don't even know if the laws will pull y'all over because they're probably gonna be trying to figure out what's going on.
No, y'all didn't see that, but the state trooper just passed. Think we're in the clear. All right, let's go.
Oh, my mirror's on.
How you doing? All right, let's go. Let's do a 40 roll.
Ready, go.
Take a right.
Keith's mirrors are just like folded.
Take a right, D right.
Yeah, you know I'm not good with my right and my left. Keith ready to you.
American fold.
Oh, he got them auto folded mirrors, man. That's clean, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
Son, this nigga Don wants to do a donut. I'm not doing a donut right here. Nigga, we both scared. Hey, switch cars.
Roll out.
Hey, yeah, let's do it.
You want to get in that car with that nigga? Because I'm not doing
No, go
one.
ahead. We're going to watch him. Turn your control off, cool, y'all. Turn your trash control off. Hold on, stop.
Oh, there you go. Nope.
You got your traction control on.
Oh.
Oh, never mind. Let's roll.
You want to switch?
Yeah. How you doing, Mel? Taking a little ride to lunch. I'll hit you back when I get back to the shop. Man, that sucker wouldn't let you rip.
Nah, man, like my tires kept fucking gripping extra good. I'm like, damn, I turned traction control off and everything.
I'll hold that mirror.
That's how Jeeps do it. Check them out.
Check them out, man.
They'll have the window.
Hey, man, your carpet clean, bro.
Cool.
Hey, we can cut up right here. Come on, D, you next. Come on. He's scared. Hey, look, they got a little puddle. You just come on, hold the camera, bro.
No, hell no.
Come on, bro. Come on, D.
One time, whip it one time, I'm spin my man trying to catch it right now.
You got it, D. Yeah. Hey man, you got some clean carpet, bro. We're gonna get outside. Y'all want to grab something at Sonic or something? Alright, we'll go to Sonic. Alright, we ain't got pulled over yet. Man, this car's so bouncy without them doors on it. T-car was whipping good, bro.
See, it's the 8-speed. It kept up in a low gear. Mine kept trying to up shit.
I heard it tip trying to shift.
That's why whenever, and I didn't even do it in sport mode the second time. It was regular.
We out here stunned, man. Yeah, let me get a grilled chicken wrap, add cheese. Let me do that times 2. All right, we got a problem. Trunk don't want to stay closed.
Hook?
Oh, I had that thing out. I tried. Hey, I can ride in the trunk, hold it down.
It's like a safety feature or something?
Well, most of the time, if your key is in the trunk, it'll keep
Yeah.
popping it open.
Maybe walk away from the
Yeah,
trunk.
walk away from the car, maybe. Like lock this and just walk away from it.
Close it, D. Trunk does not want to close. Uh-oh, here he is. Oh, yeah, we about to get, she turning around? No, she gonna keep going.
Your other key is nowhere in here.
Nowhere in it is at the house. Well, I noticed that it wouldn't pop.
Oh, guess you had to hold that close.
I could disconnect my battery.
You can just disconnect the latch.
Then I ain't gonna be able to open them up.
You just crawl through the trunk and pull the lever.
We gotta thug it, man. I'm about to eat my lunch. So now keep trunk don't wanna stay closed. So
Oh, dude, what you did to it?
How'd you close?
I don't know. That for real? Like as soon, I guess we pressed and held it, it fucking tripped itself. Oh, so it closed on its own.
Yeah.
I don't know. Somebody hit that. I was like, oh no. I'm kind of hungry, but I don't know exactly. I ain't fucking no rat. I need to. I probably just wait. I probably just not eat until I go get that salmon. That's probably why I'm gonna go get that salmon. I kind of want to go to Subway.
what is it? Good, bro.
It's like grill or fried.
Real man, this chicken wrap is so good. Everybody checking out the whip.
Hey, did my airbag system gonna go off?
Yeah. Once you plug your doors back up, it's gonna go.
Yeah, we might have to flash it.
Cause I know, like in the shop, whenever we take doors off of like Chevys and stuff, they'll come on.
That's all holding right there.
Huh?
That's spare saw holding right there. On that car across the street.
Oh, they
What?
true.
Strapped to the roof.
On the roof.
It's in the trunk though.
It look like a wheelchair.
I know that shit's illegal.
Oh, good, man. Look at that. Go hit the spot.
I know.
Nigga leave crumbs and dust. And
P, that's what boy want to ride with you.
look at him across the next one. Oh, look at him, look at him. You see that? They got the guy nose on that old bitch. Let me tell you something. I knew that, Tony. Tony, let me tell you, Tony. Tony, come here, Tony. What you talking about, Tony?
Nice shot.
Yeah,
I'm gonna drop you off.
yeah. Back to the safe spot. We get pulled over and told they would take these cars on a drive.
Custom
Custom said they had a bad window. We had to fix it.
Damn, I'm gonna have to wipe my interior down.
This car's so bouncy.
Yeah, that's because it's on them Lawrence springs.
That's crazy how heavy them doors are.
Yeah, like the car sits so high. Oh, Crispy ticking tenders though. People are like, what are these guys doing?
I gotta get y'all side by side doing some burnout though. Just do a little quicker, you know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy.
I have to do a GoFundMe account for my tires.
Keep them ladies across the street.
I'm running high right now. You can go over any car.
Terry, like, what are y'all doing? Terry, we made it, Terry.
No, we didn't get pulled over, man.
We ain't get pulled over, man. We'll do some donuts with race.
donuts.
Oh, man. We made it. Just leave them out for the day. All right. We'll get my butt back to work. So that's what we do on our lunch break, y'all. We pull doors off cars and go ride, bro. That's how you do on your lunch break, Nate. That was fun. We didn't get pulled over. I had a good lunch. That chicken wrap was so good. So let me get back to work.
We out, DCB fam. I'm gonna go let my dad look out trail and help him too. Daddy, bye guys.
Peace out.
Peace out.